How to find recently uploaded videos on YouTube. Latest videos. Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find recently uploaded videos on YouTube. This is very useful if you want to watch the latest videos about a specific topic instead of older content. So let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or go to the YouTube website on your browser. Now tap on the search icon at the top of the screen and type the topic you want to watch. For example, you can search for something like tech tutorials, news, or any topic you are interested in. After the search results appear, look for the filter option. Tap on Filters at the top of the search results page. Now you will see several options. Under the Upload Date section, select Today, This Week, or This Month, depending on how recent you want the videos to be. Once you select one of these options, YouTube will automatically show you the most recently uploaded videos related to your search. Another way to find recent uploads is by visiting the channel page of your favorite creator. Open the channel and tap on the Videos tab. Here, you will see all the videos uploaded by that channel, with the newest videos appearing first. Bonus tip: you can also subscribe to channels you like so you never miss their latest uploads. Just tap the subscribe button on the channel page and new videos will appear in your subscriptions feed. Ending. So that's how you can find recently uploaded videos on YouTube quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.